Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back with another tech news. So AMD says that their new Radeon RDNA 4 architecture RX 9000 series are optimized for UEFI only systems. To those fellows who don't know about the UEFI, that stands for Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, is basically a software program that manages the startup process for advanced computer systems. UEFI eventually replaced the BIOS, but is compatible with its newer PCs that already have UEFI. Might still call it the BIOS just to avoid the confusing consumers. And if you talk about the benefits of the UEFI, it has the faster setup than older BIOS, larger storage support, and improved user interface. Say for example, one-click simple memory overclock seen in Intel's XMP profiles. How does it works if you ask? It stores information about system initialization and startup in an EFI file on the EFI system partition, ESP for short, and UEFI controls the booting process, runs pre-boot applications, and passes control of the system to the OS. Now back to the news. If you are using legacy or compatibility modes, it is time to upgrade, and if you are using older hardware that doesn't support full UEFI mode, you should think twice before buying the Radeon RX 9000 series card. And as the news suggests that UEFI mode will the Radeon RX 9000 series take full advantage of technologies like resizable bar, smart access memory. And the difference between UEFI and BIOS is as follows: greatly improved security, full specified interface that ensure the interoperability and testability, dependable firmware update from the internet with minimal user interaction, support for hardware larger than 2.2 TB, support new PC hardware including the NVMe, SSD boot support, Windows Secure Boot for malware prevention, and faster shutdown, startup, sleep, and resume time. Also, AMD not said that you won't boot with CSM legacy BIOS, however performance and support will not be guaranteed. And honestly, it wouldn't make much sense to pair it with an older system and you won't get the performance you desire anyway if you do. And for smart access memory technology that requires the Ryzen 5000 CPU or newer, a 64-bit operating system, and AGISA 1.1.0.0, and with UEFI system with above 4G decoding in firmware. So guys, if you are on the older hardware and on older BIOS, you need to upgrade your system just in case if the 9000 series did not work. As AMD said, that it is not that it won't be work on the CSM legacy BIOS, but the performance and support will not be guaranteed. That's it for today guys, and I will see you in the next video.